deer are having a hard time out there because we had snow backed by ice with a layer of ice on top of the snow, and then we had more snow. And so the deer, though you'd think they're heavy enough for their little hoofs to go through the ice, they're not. So they're sliding around, eating the squirrel food I put out for the squirrels. And they're just sliding around on top of that ice. I would think their little hooves would push through that ice, especially with the small footprint that the hoof makes, but it doesn't. They actually still standing on top of that ice, and they're sliding around. These are the first couple of deer I've seen since we've had snow. There's not a lot of footprints out there that I've seen. I put a little bit of squirrel food out there for the squirrels, and once in a while the deer come along and help themselves. Same with the bird feeder. Bird feeder out front. They've gotten to the habit of knocking that bird feeder with their head and spilling the seed on the ground, and they just eat the seed off the ground. Oop. Oop. There they are, slip sliding away. I don't know what they're looking at. But it's a cold -9 with the wind chill this morning. Brutal. It is brutal. Good looking little animals. They're a healthy bunch. Alright. Keep warm there, my dear friends. They're still slipping around out there.